The oil life indicator on your 2018-2022 Honda Accord monitors oil degradation to help prevent engine wear. It uses the vehicle's onboard computer system to analyze factors like mileage and driving conditions, alerting you typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Resetting the indicator to 100% after an oil change starts a new monitoring cycle. Access this through the vehicle's information display via the instrument cluster buttons. Make sure the engine is off, but the key is in the on position, not running. This ensures accurate readings and allows for proactive maintenance. To reset the oil life indicator on your 2018-2022 Honda Accord, start by ensuring the engine is off and the key is in the on position. Use the instrument cluster buttons to navigate to the vehicle information or maintenance menu. Select the oil life option from the menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset the oil life to 100%. Digital tools like Honda's My Honda Plus app provide remote monitoring and reset options for compatible models. Honda advises against using third-party tools as they may disrupt the engine control unit and cause inaccurate readings. The future involves more app-based monitoring and predictive analytics. Expect over-the-air updates to automatically adjust oil life based on real-time data, potentially eliminating manual resets in later models. Always follow Honda's official reset methods to maintain warranty validity and avoid ECU glitches.